Hi y'all, welcome back. It is October 19th, 2024, and I am just kind of recouping from a very emotional unboxing of the Hoya Lee. Lie. No lie. But we're ready. We have gloves. I've got a little sterilized tweezer. And it's just kind of pointy a little bit, so I'm going to just focus on one leaf, hoping that I take the thickest most part of the Spiritus Santi, and I'm trying to repot it into this because it's still in this gel, and this is the replacement, you all. The other one didn't make it, but very unfortunate. I'd like to say I do well with the tissue cultures, but like I mentioned, I was not so thrilled about this one. The other one, this one has an aerial root in there. You guys, I want to be ecstatic about the growth of this. Like you guys been through it with me. You did the unboxing with me for the PSS. We kind of did a no recording hiatus, and then she was like mid-size, and now she's thriving, showing these beautiful little earlobes. And that's why I get really emotional, because I am doing well with their growth. And guys, it's just the simple things. Like, I don't fuss with her. I don't have her in any specific grow light. There isn't a specific care, which give her kind of the same temperament as her original surroundings. I do occasionally pop her back into my bathroom for humidity, but if you don't have that option, just go ahead and mist her. I love seeing the new features on my plants. And that's why I got emotional with this Hoya Lee, because I can't wait. And I hope that she does the same thing for me that the PSS has done for me. And I'm hoping that this little guy is in our future, and that I show you all of her beautiful pink highlighted features. I just love the pink highlight for my plants. It's just that pop of color that I need. It's just like, I look at my daughter, I'm like, oh my gosh, she's wearing hot pink, and it's just very rare to see that. I enjoy it. There's nothing else that thrills me than knowing that my plants have just loved me back, and they're growing and they're thriving, just like my children. And for you all that have like those little lives in your care, just cherish those small milestones. And some things are more slow growing than others. Like the pinnacle of these videos, like the whalefin, that's been a slow grower, and she's had given me some issues, but I'm just really trying my best to keep her together, you guys. But without further ado, I did follow suit with some of the way that this is potted up. So it's got Spanish sphagnum moss with some perlite, which I think that's phenomenal, and I'm gonna do the same. You see, got some Spanish sphagnum moss, which I had shown you that I had soaking here, but I went inside to get the gloves and the tweezer, and we got the little perlite going in there. So what I'm gonna do, I'm not gonna pull by one of the tiny leaves. I'm gonna try to go for the stem, just because it's thicker, and hope that everything is slimy along the way, so that I don't hurt it. So if you see it there, you see it, it's like really down in there. I'm gonna gently pull up. Okay, and it's out of the gel. I just don't want to keep moving it around and poking it. Guys. Okay, should I just break it? This is... Alright, this is plastic, you guys. So, that might not be a good idea. That might not be a good idea at all. You guys... just gotta be really careful about this. Kind of hug the leaf. Oh my gosh, and pull it out. Oh, she's out. Happy birthday. October 19th, 2024. Happy birthday. Look at the aerial root on this. So pretty. She's got some roots. Makes me nervous. Still. The gel. Let's wipe some of the gel off with this sterilized glove. And pardon if you can't hear me. I'm going to try to do closed captions on this. I'm just going to wipe the little... Oh my gosh. You guys, the leaf, one of the leaves just fell. And then I just looked in this container. And there's still quite a bit of leaves in there left. Alright, well, I'm going to pot this. Are you status update? Hi, honey. Yeah, how old are you going to be tomorrow, Erin?
4.
4? Do you like that little leaf? Yeah? Yeah? How about this one? Yes? How about this one? Do you like that one? That's so pretty, right?
It has the ghost on it.
Oh, that's fuzzy stuff. That's fuzzy stuff so that it doesn't bump. So it doesn't bump itself in when they ship it to me. See this little fuzzy stuff?
Fuzzy?
Mm-hmm. Can you do me a favor, Erin? Do you want to take this one inside? Show Daddy. Say, Daddy, put this on the shelf. Okay, I love you. He's such a good helper. All right, so we've got this here. You see how? Say, Daddy, put it on the shelf for me. Thank you. Yes. Okay, so we've got, look at how nice. It's like nestled in there. I'm a little concerned about this. I think I can I make another plant out of this? Oh, can I make another plant out of this? Oh my gosh. Possibly. There is a root. Ooh, there's a root. Y'all, there's a root. Mama. There is a root. I'm going to put it together. Y'all. What did I just do? What happened? What, did you give it to Daddy?
Yes.
You said put it on the shelf, please.
Oh, this is so
And what is that?
puffy.
That's Puffy. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, that's so nice. Thank you. Thank you. That's like Mama's puffer, right? To put a little powder on my face. Thank you. I love. Can a mommy have a kiss? Kiss. Thank you.
Oh, look at this.
Let me see. Oh, that's your sister's egg. That's your sister. We have like random toys out here. We have like a really nice backyard. But we hardly come out here because we have, guess what?
Guess what?
Guess what? You want to give that one to Daddy too? Say, Daddy, look, Mommy. Here, let me take this out. Look at all that gel, Erin. Look at all of that gel. Oh my gosh, this is like something else. Here, I'm gonna put it all in here. Hope it grows. Show this to Daddy. Say, Mommy repotted that. Thank you, baby. So we have all of that going on. So yeah, so we have, it's fall, and so there's like less mosquitoes out here, but I don't know if you're in the Midwest and you are like really don't enjoy having mosquitoes, and mosquitoes do all their thing, because mosquitoes will bite you day and night. So we have our toys out here for the moments that I feel like it's safe, and I still have a little patch for my kids. I'm just really trying my best with these guys in here. Woo. I just want, yeah, I think they're nestled okay. Yeah, 2. I love you. You ready? All right. Without further ado, thank you all so much for liking, subscribing. Thank you for repotting my PSS. Look how beautiful my beautiful Hoya and my Lei. And we did the haul thing. And I'm sorry it's in 2 parts. Sorry I got super emotional, but I am so happy with my babies. My planty babies and my real babies. But have a great weekend. Happy holidays. Happy Halloween. And happy Halloween until next time. God bless. And see you all until next time. Bye.